Good evening, everyone. The sunshine did finally return today after cloud cover throughout much of the week. Not much activity tonight on SkyTrack. We've seen those clear skies across the area. We're in between two weather systems at this point. The rain that we've had earlier in the week has now pushed its way off to the east coast, even producing some severe weather for the Washington, D.C. area up into the Philly area. And then our next system that's going to be bringing rain back for the weekend is further off to the west. You can see it starting to organize across western Iowa into southwestern Minnesota. They're going to be seeing some snow up there, but for us it's just going to be rain as we get into the next 24 hours. Right now, though, it's still very pleasant out there. Temperatures did make it into the 60s. 65 is our warm spot in Paris. We're at 63 in Robinson and Danville. Charleston's at 64, along with Taylorville and Effingham this evening. And those winds continue out of the northwest. Sustained right now at 23 miles an hour in Paris, 25 in Champaign, 15 miles an hour in Decatur, and Robinson has a breeze from the northwest at 22 miles an hour, so it is windy, and we're going to keep that wind going into the overnight hours as well. Temperatures are going to be falling down into the lower 40s as those clouds increase, and again, that northwest wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Now, we may get to see some peaks of sunshine going into Saturday morning, but the clouds are going to be on the increase going throughout the remainder of the morning. Once we get into the midday hour, we could start to see some precipitation moving into our western counties, especially along the north of Interstate 72, but that rain's going to overspread the remainder of the viewing area through the afternoon hours, and then we're going to keep the chances for some lingering showers through the evening as well. Could see some additional rounds moving through after dinner time on Saturday, and even some lingering showers as late as 11 or 10 o'clock on Saturday night across our far northern counties. So as we break down your Saturday, it is going to be another cool day. Temperatures only topping out in the lower 60s, 52 in the morning. Again, maybe some peaks of sunshine. Okay start for the Illinois Marathon up in Champaign-Urbana, but then as we get into the afternoon hours, the rain showers are going to be returning, and we climb up into our daytime high in the evening hours on Saturday. And as we look at rainfall totals, this event isn't going to be too impressive. Most locations picking up around 1/4 of an inch, with the heaviest totals further off to our north for your day on Saturday. And while this isn't the most ideal weather for the weekend, it is better than what they're seeing further off to the north. Here's a regional view of Futurecast. You can see the snow across northern portions of Illinois into southern Wisconsin. That's where there are currently winter storm watches and warnings that will be in effect. They could see up to 8 inches of late April snow. So thankfully, we're not seeing that. We're going to stay with rain showers, and then the skies will start to clear out as we get into Sunday. So the latter half of the weekend is looking more pleasant. We're going to see the sunshine return at least, but then going into the afternoon hours, the clouds are going to be back on the increase. As we get into the overnight hours, we're going to see that cloud cover continue to increase across the area, but it is going to be another cool day on Sunday. As we look at your 4x4 forecast, all 16 of our counties, 4 at a time, our daytime highs are going to be below average. Average for this time of year is 68 degrees. So we're going to be around 10 degrees below that for your Sunday, but at least we will have the sunshine out there across the area. We're still going to have some wind, though, anywhere from about 10 to 15 miles an hour. So there's going to be a breeze for your day on Sunday. And then going into the overnight hours, that's when the rain chances are going to pick back up across the area. Starting to see that make their way in late Sunday night. Going into early Monday morning, the showers and thunderstorms are going to once again be on the increase, and those chances continue for the start of our week as well. We're going to see those showers and thunderstorm chances lingering throughout much of the day on Monday, and the cloud cover is going to be remaining as well. And as we look at the next 7 days, unfortunately, we're seeing daily chances of scattered showers and thunderstorms next week. Not good news for the farmers out there trying to get in the fields. We're going to see those daily chances again all the way through the week, even some lingering showers Friday morning. But if there is any good news to this soggy forecast, it is that the temperatures are going to be warming back up. We're going to see temperatures climbing up into the upper 60s on Monday, and then we're back into the middle 60s once we get into the middle of next week.